So with this course, you will find the set of printable flashcards that has all the definitions of the terms that can be asked for 2 marks in the exam. This consists of 18 marks from the papers. If somehow you manage to crack this, then your half task is already done. I can say that. I can help you do this by using a famous psychological technique called as Leitner system. The Leitner system is widely used method to efficiently use flashcards that was proposed by a German science journalist Sebastian Leitner in the 1970s. Through this method, you can implement SRS, that is called as spaced repetition system, where you recall the things exactly before they are about to vanish from your brain, thus increasing the validity of that information for a longer time. It works something like this. Suppose you have 3 boxes and name it as box 1, box 2 and box 3. Put all the cards in box 1 and start your session. At the end of 5th session, which I am assuming one session per day, that is on 5th day, you will have cards spread across all 3 boxes. In box 1, you will have all the cards that you have made mistakes and needs more attention, whereas in box 3, you will have all the cards that needs less attention. What you have to do is pick the card from box 1 and try to recall it. If you are 100% successful, then move that card to box 2. If you didn't get it in the first try, then keep it in the box 1. After finishing all the cards in box 1, you can pick the box 2 and check if you can recall all the cards. If you can recall it, then move that card to box 3. And if you fail to recall any card from box 2, then it goes back to box 1. Then you can pick the cards in box 3 and recall it. If you are able to recall it, then it stays in box 3 or else it goes in box 1. You have to visit box 1 on daily basis, box 2 every 3 days and box 3 every 5 days. Your end goal here should be to move all the cards to box 3. The advantage of this method is that the learner can focus on the most difficult flashcards which remains in the first few groups. The result is ideally a reduction in the amount of study time needed. However, I would like you to warn about one thing. If you can't get the card with 100% accuracy, I'm repeating this again. If you can't get the card with 100% accuracy, then you should move it to box 1 or else you will run into the illusion of competence. This happens when you think you know something that you actually don't know. A situation that usually arises when your brain mistakes recognition for recall. So what happens is that suppose if you open a card and it shows that, say, a definition of computer networks, so you think that you know it, but you are not able to recall it 100%. Then when you turn the card, you see, yes, I have read this information, and you move the card to box 2. But that is a recognition and not recalling. You are recognizing about this fact that you know about computer networks, but you are not able to recall it. That is called as illusion of competence. So you guys have to avoid that situation. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.